Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you own a 2017 to 2020 Camaro ZL1 and you're looking to add a bit more carbon to your drive, but also want something that's going to have a bit of function to it, then take a look at this APR front air dam. This front air dam is not only going to have the looks to match the other carbon items on your ZL1, but it will also have a bit of functionality to it. This splitter will not only help reduce lift, it will also increase front end stability and downforce since it is a bit larger than the factory front air dam. The center portion of this splitter does have a 3-inch extension over the factory splitter, which aids in the front end stability. If that is a concern for you, do not worry. APR has included a pre-installed skid plates to prevent any damage for those steep inclines. To aid in their functionality, APR uses a pre-pregnated composition that allows them to ensure superior strength and low weight. This style allows their products to have a perfect fit and uniformity in each product. So you can rest assured APR carbon fiber is a step above. Jumping over to the installation, this splitter easily slides into place with a few simple hand tools, and it simply replaces the factory splitter. We're going to start by removing the under tray and side air dams. There are quite a few screws that need to be removed for all the components. With the under tray and liner loose, we can lower the sides of the liner to access the white clips on the back side of the factory splitter. There are 4 clips on each side that will need to be removed. They will be reused with the APR splitter. Once all the clips and bolts have been removed, easily pull the splitter from the front bumper. The splitter is held in place on the back side by metal clips that will simply pop out from their location with a quick pull of the splitter. With the factory splitter aside, we can transfer the metal clips to the APR splitter for reinstallation. Now we can simply install the APR front splitter back into the factory location and reinstall all the factory components back to their proper location. There you have it, guys. A simple splitter installation can not only add to the looks of our ZL1, but it can also add to the performance. The 3-inch center section is sure to allow for a better front end stability, and the prepaid carbon is sure nice to look at. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.